In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Google Calendar. First, let's dive into the sign-in process. Starting off, navigate to Google Calendar's login page. Here you'll need to enter your email address and password. Once you've typed them in, hit the next button to proceed. This step is crucial because accessing your calendar's functionalities requires you to be signed in. After successfully logging in, let's move on to the view settings of your Google Calendar. You might want to zoom out to see more events or just to get a better overview of your schedule. As an example, let's choose to zoom out to view 4 days starting from Friday, October 25th, 2024. This step is about adjusting the calendar view to suit your preference, be it for planning or reviewing your agenda. Now here's where it gets interesting. To zoom out, you have a couple of options. If you're using a mouse, simply hold down the Control key, Ctrl on your keyboard, and then scroll down with your mouse wheel. This action will zoom out your view, allowing you to see more of your calendar at once. It's a smooth and quick adjustment that can significantly change how you view your events and appointments. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using the keyboard or don't have a mouse wheel, you can achieve the same zooming out effect by pressing the plus key while holding down the Control key. This might seem a bit counterintuitive, as the plus key is often associated with zooming in. However, in the context of Google Calendar and many other applications, this combination serves to decrease the displayed time range, allowing a broader view. Remember, zooming out can help you get a better sense of your upcoming schedule, make it easier to spot when you're free, and plan large blocks of time. It's a simple but effective way to manage your time more efficiently. In summary, whether you choose to use your mouse or keyboard, zooming out in Google Calendar is straightforward and can be tailored to fit your viewing preferences. With these tips, managing and overviewing your schedule will be a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Google Calendar more effectively.